Hello everyone, I'm Amado from Airkey. So today we are going to introduce a ISO 6 modular cleanroom used in electronic industries for you. We can see the whole construction of the whole cleanroom. It is made up of the aluminum alloy frame, the hand-made rockwood sandwich panel, and the high glass windows. And here is the control panel of the whole cleanroom. There is 3-step air velocity control. The LED lighting control. And the UV light is also optional. And here is a differential pressure gauge to check the pressure in the cleanroom. So now let's get in the room. Now we are inside the cleanroom. We can notice the air shower is beside us. Before getting inside, we need to go through the air shower, which can blow away the dust from persons entering. And here is also a control panel for air shower. Now we are inside the main production room, and here is also a small room for storing materials. So now we are in the main production room. As we can see, there are 6 FFU on the ceiling. Its strong working efficiency could play a big role in keeping the clean level at ISO 6. And the LED light is beside the FFU. Here are the European standard socket and the network ports according to the customer's needs. We welcome any customer's requirements you may have. Here is an automatic sliding doors for the cargo and equipment enter and exit. For the sliding door we often make, we have 3 ways to open: manual switch, the automatic sensor, and the foot switch. Here is a pass box in the corner. We can pass through the materials inside and out of the cleanroom. As you can see, the corner of the pass box is in curved shape. There will be no dust accumulation and it is easy for cleaning. So the double sliding doors, here is the most special area of the whole cleanroom. According to the customer's needs, we use the UV protection glass and the yellow light to build a yellow glass cleanroom. Yellow glass cleanroom is mainly used in semiconductor manufacturing, biomedicine, and some high-precision mechanical manufacturing and other fields. The wavelength range of yellow light is not within the photosensitive band of photoresist, which can prevent accidental exposure of photoresist. Compared with other colors, yellow light is softer and can reduce refraction and glare. During production, yellow light can protect color-sensitive materials from interference from other light sources. At the same time, it has less stimulation to the human eye, which can reduce the visual fatigue of operators and improve work efficiency. In addition, the yellow glass makes it easy for personnel to observe the internal working procedures.